if you want to add graphics to an existing embedded systems application, that can often mean moving to a new microcontroller and a completely new toolchain. To avoid that and retain your existing microcontroller, you can use a EVE graphics chipset from Bridgetek. To learn more about this new device, I spoke to Gavin Moore. Hi Gavin, we're here at the Bridgetek stand at Embedded World 2025. It's great to catch up with you again. We spoke a couple of years ago, especially about the EVE technology that you've got. Before we get into the details, just give us a quick introduction as to what Bridgetek is involved in.
Sure. Nice to see you again, Stuart. It has been a while since we've met up. So, you're on the Bridgetek stand, and what is Bridgetek? And Bridgetek is, one of our main components is our embedded video engine. So this IC is a graphics controller, and the key thing about this graphics controller is to allow you to use with a low cost or low powered MCU. As long as you've got SPI or Quad-SPI, you can communicate with our graphics chip. The idea of the graphics chip from Bridgetek is to take the processing power away from the lower cost MCU.
Yeah, because those typical microcontrollers with all the graphics engine inside them as well, they're quite complicated and it takes quite a long time to program them. So EVE as a technology is making graphics simpler for me. We've talked to you before about previous generations of your graphics controllers. You're now onto your 5th generation with the BT820 IC. Tell us a little bit more about what's inside.
Absolutely. So it's our 5th generation. We've listened to our customers and they've wanted high resolution, bigger displays. So we brought that in the 5th generation, but we've also added in extra functionality. One of them being the LVDS input, which is a video input, and it allows you to have video input straight into your display.
Yeah, and so that comes from an external camera and don't really have to worry about it on the microcontroller base side.
Exactly.
Yeah, super. And then of course, on top of that, you've got, I assume, the ability to add all those touch interfaces as well. How is a touch interface attached?
Yes, so the EVE is a 3-in-1 chip. It's obviously got the display, it's got audio as well, and it's improved audio in this version, and we have touch. So on the BT820 demo, we have this photo booth, and basically what we're showing is the camera interface via our LVDS, and you can see it on the display. I mentioned before about the graphical power, and you can see here we've got a photo with an image within the image, and there's no stutter or anything in movement there. You can still see both images are still really alive. I can flick through various modes in the background.
Yeah, super. Now, for those people that are looking to explore this technology, maybe get started, try something out, how's the best way for them to do that? Is there some sort of developer kit available?
Yes, we have. We have 2 modules. So first module is our credit card module, and as the name suggests, it's the size of a credit card, which is really easy, and it comes with our 820 chip on that. That board's plugged in from the mini module into the credit card module.
Right.
And that's for a developer. So the developer can right away take that module, hook it up to a display of his choice, or one recommended by us, and then start using our software tools to program and look at the graphics. The second module is the mini module, and the idea of that is it's a standalone module with our chip, and it's got the DDR3 memory on it.
Oh, okay. Right.
So that allows to be put straight into a product. After you've used the credit card to do the development, you've got your idea, you would then go to the mini module to put in. The reason we did that was the chip's a BGA chip, and we've not done a BGA, and we wondered how our customers would deal with that. So we thought, well, if you buy it straight in the module, you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, that makes it nice and easy.
It really does, and we hope that's successful that way.
Of course, what's even easier is if I already have a touch display attached to that module straight away. There's definitely people who don't want to worry too much about sourcing displays, or maybe have small volumes where they don't want to go out and purchase lots of displays and make that choice. Do you support them in that area as well with like a turnkey display solution?
We do, with some of the previous versions of EVE. We've got some various different sizes, from 10-inch right down to a brand new product we have, which is a round module. and it's our 2.1-inch module. And we've got a demo of that, and it's shown a smart home application.
Yeah, fantastic. Now, obviously another area of interest and growth is in automotive. There's lots of displays in automotive, but there's also lots of applications that have similar requirements, such as an extended temperature range, where industrial, medical, for example. What do you support in that area?
Yeah, we have our BT817, which is the 4th generation, and it comes in 2 versions. So with the ordinary version and then the one with the A at the end for automotive.
Right.
And it gives us the extended temperature range. And we have some demos that we can show for automotive applications. Yeah. But also similarly, we have a medical application, because there's some in medical environments where the temperature range is critical as well. Yeah. So it's not just an automotive part, it's where you need extended temperature range, this is the EVE to use.
Yeah. No, I think it's a really fantastic solution. Graphics has always been a big challenge, and it's nice to be able to sort of outsource that complexity through a device like this and attach it to a simple microcontroller architecture that I already know. So thanks for providing us with all that insight onto EVE, and we've been looking forward to looking at all the different demos you've got too.
Excellent, thanks for your time, Stuart.